The reason why most of us don't like this whole interview process is because we feel that all these interview questions are damn boring. Yeah, same वही questions सालों से लोग पूछे जा रहे हैं, and the answers are also now pretty much standard, and everybody has memorized the best answer to such a question. Thankfully, the questions are changing. Thankfully, organizations are going levels deeper to assess the right potential, the right fit for their organization. But here is one question that I want you to look at for your own sake. Not just to crack an interview, but just to be successful in your own life. And that question is, how can you ensure you will be successful in the next 5 years? Now I know 5 years can look like a long horizon. And you might say, Yukti, life is so unpredictable, the environment is so unpredictable, both at the micro and at a macro level. How can anyone call any shots in this environment? How can anyone plan anything in such a dynamic environment? And I would argue that argument by saying that not having a plan is not a solution to a changing environment. No matter how dynamic the environment is, at any given point, there has to be some level of planning so that it brings in the clarity, the purpose, and the focus that you need to have today to do what you need to do today. So how do you ensure that you're successful in the next 5 years is not a function of knowing exactly what you want to become. It's about following a certain process which will lead you to a place that you probably would like to be at, even if you can't see it today. So to simplify, you might not know who you want to become, what you will do in the next 5 years. What you can still know is what you should be doing in these 5 years till you get to that point which you can proudly call as success. To be successful, I want you to look at these 3 R's. Number 1, be relevant. Relevance is about understanding the bigger picture as well. It's about widening your canvas. It's about knowing where the customer is going, where the organizations are leading, where the sectors are developing, what is going to be useful tomorrow as much as it is needed today, what will be more useful in the times to come, what is it that the customers of tomorrow will be more excited to receive as a service or a product, and then how ready am I to be a part of that experience? Do I have the right environment around me? Am I part of the organization which is more future oriented? Am I part of any creation taking place today which will be a solution for my customer tomorrow? The second R, review, review, review. Periodic reviews are very important. Look at where you are compared to what your goals are. Performance versus goals every single quarter is a review that you need to conduct for your own self, for your own sake. Make sure that you also pull in your line managers and see if your goals are aligned to their goals. Because if they're not, then your effort will not be appreciated beyond a point. And that makes no sense. In fact, that is what makes us so frustrated when we are sitting for those appraisal cycles and we say, पूरे साल हमने इतनी मेहनत की, इतना काम किया, ये पार्टी अटेंड नहीं की, वो फंक्शन अटेंड नहीं किया, and here I am with a B+, with some mediocre assessment because there's a bell curve that the organization has to go through. Well, it's not just the bell curve which is the reason. The reason is that you haven't really planned this appraisal discussion well. You haven't had those reviews with yourself and your line managers periodically, and hence you land up in this once a year discussion where you have no cards to put on the table. And the third R, always remain a student of life. Always keep learning. Learning is not just a function of life's experiences. Learning has to be conducted more consciously than that, which means you need to be aware of what are the topics, subjects, domains that you need to understand better or be a part of. What are some of the courses available or resources available for you to upgrade yourself, upskill yourself in such a manner that you are ready for what the future might entail. So remember to remain a student, to stay relevant, and to keep reviewing all the hard work that you put in and day out. And if you stay on track with these 3 R's, I promise you that no matter where you will be in the next 5 years, you will certainly call your life as a success. You will certainly view your career as a success.